Moldings are unsurpassed for adding interest and architectural detail to an otherwise plain room or exterior. Now, traditionally, they've been made of wood, but these days they're showing up in other materials like vinyl PVC. So if there's a molding project in your future, you might want to check these out. Vinyl moldings come in a wide variety of styles. They can be primed, ready for staining, or pre-finished. And the styles run the gamut, from simple to ornate. Like wood, these moldings can be nailed up, and they tend to resist splitting. And it can be cut quickly and cleanly using a standard blade. Vinyl is light enough it can even be glued up. So if you're planning on trimming out doors, floors, or ceilings, well, you might want to take a look at vinyl.